You can customize the color of this button to match your brand. If you select Custom Style, you can adjust the values below to match your brand perfectly. After making your changes, click Save to apply them. As you can see, the button color is now changed. You can also experiment with the built-in presets to quickly see how different styles look. You can fully customize the button text to display any message you prefer, making it easy to align the wording with your website's tone and your customers' expectations. You can easily choose the button position, allowing you to place it exactly where you want it to appear on your page. You can enable the Sticky Buy Now button so it stays visible anywhere on the screen as users scroll. If you'd like to have two buttons with the same function, you can also enable the floating button. Similarly, you can control the colors and other settings of this floating button to match your style. You can add attention-grabbing animations to both of these buttons to make them stand out. After this, customers will need to select the product variations, if any are available, and then click Buy Now to complete their selection. Next, in the order form, you can choose any color scheme that matches your brand perfectly. For example, you can change the background color of the input fields if you'd prefer something different. You can also choose from any of the available presets to quickly find a style that matches your brand. In the payment options, you can enable or disable both cash on delivery and online payment methods as needed. Here, I've just turned off the online payment option, though keeping it enabled is usually recommended. With online payment enabled, users can also upload a receipt, which can be either an image or a PDF file. You can choose whether to ask for the full name, only the first name, or both first and last name. It's entirely up to you. Similarly, in the address section, you can choose to ask for a full address or split it into street address and apartment details. It's entirely up to you. For the other fields, you can choose whether to simply enable them or make them required, depending on what information you need to process the order. Now, you can also add a specific message to display on the order form if you'd like to share any important information with your customers. After filling out the entire form, your customer simply needs to click the Buy Now button to complete the order. The colors of the thank you page are automatically synchronized with the order form to ensure a consistent look and feel. On this page, you can also enable or disable the WhatsApp button, giving customers an easy way to contact you if you prefer to offer support through WhatsApp. That was a brief overview of our plugin. If you'd like to watch the full tutorial covering every feature in detail, you can visit our YouTube channel.